Hello traders, in this video I'd like to tell you about how to minimize the risks in the breakout strategy, namely how to make early loading. I'm trading through the scalp terminal, which you can also download for free from the official website. You can find the link in the description below. The breakout of levels is essentially one of the most risky strategies, but at the same time profitable. The risk lies in the fact that from very beginning we do not know where to put a stop order, so most often we put a mathematical stop loss 0.5 or 1%. Many traders who trade breakouts are often faced with the fact that a seemingly ideal breakout situation not only doesn't give the expected course of price movement, but also rolls in, knocking you out with a stop loss. How to overcome this negative moment? The answer is to load the position in advance. However, early loading into a position has its own characteristics. The goal of early loading is to average the price so that the average entry point before the breakout is as profitable as possible. Let's see how it works. Rows. Here we see a good trade before the level, while Bitcoin didn't contradict this breakout and also traded in the upper part of the flat along the uptrend. Pay attention to the collection of liquidity. The price was shed very much and it's not allowed to go below. This is a great opportunity to load into the breakout in advance so that we have an entry point much lower than the breakout point. But at the same time we must be sure that the breakout will be realized. Here I see the load of the buyer. Bitcoin is going in the same direction so far. I start to load from point of control in clusters. For now I have already loaded 15k of contracts. Here is a breakout that happened. Pay attention to my average entry point and breakout level. My entry point is much lower. There is. When the price approached the breakout level, I was already in profit. And this is an excellent risk hedging. That is, in case of a roll-in, I could not only close to zero, but also with a small profit. As a result, I closed seeing the resistance in the clusters. Plus, here I already noticed the formation of the head and shoulders. I decided not to be greedy. Plus $40 on this situation. Another situation with the Bell coin. I expected a breakout of the slope, plus there is a very strong support level below and the clusters indicate pressure from the bottom up. I started loading in small batches. Please note that the price hasn't broken out yet and my profit is already $50. During the breakout itself you can at least double the load. If it seems that the breakout will be sluggish, then it's better not to risk. I didn't add it here. This is how the breakout happened. Not that big for such a slope, but due to the early loading, I was in a good profit already. Pay attention to the average entry price. It was a good breakout due to my early loading. The price rolls in, and it was about to retest. I closed most of the positions, but here I added some positions from the clusters, treating this cluster as a support zone. Finally, this is how the price went sideways upward range. But nevertheless, it was a breakout and here I decided to close position. The trade consisted of two parts, $125 on the one part and $45 on the another part. It was the official video of the CSCAP trading terminal. Subscribe for our channel with signals, watch trading signals in our English channel. Wish you profits.